Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about this goofy booster of spend $10 and get $10 back in Walgreens cash when you spend $10. So this is valid from the 17th to the 19th, and this is the biggest your mileage may vary. I didn't receive this in either of my accounts, just to note that. But if you might have received it, I have prepared a couple of deals for you. And again, a couple rules about this. Again, it's very specific. It's from the 17th to 19th. It is the biggest. Your mileage may vary if you might have this or not. It is of a one-time use. Even if the booster's still in your account, it's a one and done. For the balance, you have to use your debit card, your credit card, or bills. And basically, it is to buy $10 of merch and then to get $10 back, which makes it free. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance for this. Now, what I did receive was one of these, and that's for next week. So it's valid from Sunday to Saturday of next week, the 20th to the 26th. Obviously, it's something completely different, but that $10 booster, I know that I received a $5 booster earlier in the month, so maybe the people that didn't get the 5 are getting this 10, but it's quite spectacular if you might have this $10 booster. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to look at, of course, you need your booster loaded to your store card, so look in your digital coupons folder if you might have this guy. Look through all the folders, you have nothing to lose. But make sure you have it loaded. The first item that we're going to grab is one of these Bic Soleil razors. So any razor that's priced $5.99, part of a sales promotion this week. Unfortunately, I didn't even touch this deal because they do not carry Bic around here in the stores. They cut 20% of the merch, and this was one of the items that sadly got kicked out of the store. They just don't sell it anymore. But we have this $5 digital, so please make sure you have this guy loaded. And then we're also going to grab 2 tubes of toothpaste, my absolute and total favorite, for $4. I'm always like, I'm not going to buy this, and then I have a deal with toothpaste. So as you can see, the toothpaste is when you buy 2, you get back $4 in Walgreens cash. And we have 2 $2 digital coupons, so load these guys. Okay, guys, let's take a quick look at the mathematics for this one. One of those Bic razors for $5.99, 2 tubes of the Colgate toothpaste at $4 a pop, that's 8, for a total of $13.99. Remember, we have our booster loaded, and we have $9 of digitals, the 5 and the 2 $2 coupons, that's $9 off right there. What you have to pay now is $4.99 with your debit card, credit card, bills, and then you're getting back $14 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the booster, and then 4 for Colgate. So it makes it free plus a $9.01 moneymaker. Do not use Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at, just a different take on this. Of course, you need your booster loaded, so make sure you have it loaded. How wonderful is this? And I'm so jealous if you got one. In the comments, let me know if you received one of these boosters. I'm just kind of curious because I only got the $5 ones, but hey, that was at least something. We're going to grab 3 of these Downies. Now, you can grab Downy, Bounce Dryer Sheets, or Tide Simply Plus, or the Unstoppables, the smaller one. You have to buy 3 of them, and you get back a $3 register reward. But look for items that are tagged at $3.29. So we're specifically going to pay attention to that we're grabbing items at that price point. And then we're also going to grab 2 tubes of toothpaste at $4 a pop, as we were discussing in the slides previous. The other deal, we're just repeating it for this one if you have not used your digital coupons. And as you can see, when you buy 2, you get back $4 in Walgreens cash. Okay, and then we have these 2 $2 coupons loaded. So yeah, if you wanted to get some toothpaste, it's just a great item to bulk up a basket, and you get some free toothpaste with this little deal. So there it is. Okay, so looking at the math for this, 3 of the Downies for $9.87. And again, if you want to mix and match with some Tide Simply and then some Bounce Dryer Sheets and some Downy, absolutely do it. 2 of the Colgates for $8. So the total for your basket here is $17.87. We have our $10 booster loaded. We have $4 of digital manufacturers, the 2 Colgate coupons. Woo, just caught a mistake there. So you're paying $13.87 with your debit card and getting back $14 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the booster, 4 for Colgate, plus another $3 register reward for the Downy. So it makes it free plus a $3.13 moneymaker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance for this one. But what a great little deal. The last deal that I have presented for you, of course, you're going to need your booster, which is 10 back when you spend 10. So we're going to keep this one really simple. We're just going to grab 3 of the Dove men's body wash priced at $7 a pop. And if you look at the tags, when you buy 3 of these, you get back a $5 store register reward. So what we're going to do, guys, is load the following coupons that include the 7 off 2. So hopefully you still have these, but load this guy at the very least. And then along with the $1 digital coupon for the Dove's Men. Okay, here's the math, guys. 3 of the Dove Men body wash at $7 a pop is $21. We have $8 of digitals that are coming off right there. You're left with paying $13 to your debit card, getting back $10 of Walgreens cash, plus a $5 store register reward, making this free plus a $2 money maker. Let's not forget not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards for this one. So any way you slice it or dice it, there's freebies to be had and found if you have this $10 booster. At the very least, look through your digital coupons folder. You might be surprised. I'll catch you guys in the next one.